Hello guys. Welcome to the tutorial. It is very easy to compress video files for web, YouTube, Facebook and WhatsApp. Before compressing, one thing you should keep in mind about video compression is that when you compress the video, you must have to deal with a reduction in video quality. The percentage of quality reduction depends on the video configuration a user would make during the compression process, such as video size, high resolution to low resolution. In this tutorial, I am using a free video compressor software called the Format Factory. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Download and install the software from this website. I will drop the link in the description. I have already downloaded, so let's jump to the next step. Step 2. Run Format Factory from desktop. Step 3. Tap on the MP4 button. Step 4. Click on the Add File button and select the video you wish to compress. The current size of this 4K video is 256 megabytes. I will compress it to 480p soon. Step 5. Click on Output Settings. Step 6. Now first change configuration settings to high quality and size from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Set video encode to H.264. Step 8. Set video size. You can also choose other resolutions. If you want to compress your video for mobile, choose from mobile standard presets. The lower you go in terms of resolution, the lower size you will get after compression. I am selecting 480p for now. Step 9. Hit OK. Step 10. Specify the compress file location. Step 11. Hit OK to save the configuration settings. Step 12. Tap on the green Start button to start the compression process. Wait let it finished, then we will test the video quality. Step 13. Test quality of original video versus compressed video. See, the compressed video size is 48 megabytes. Before it was 256 megabytes, that's a total of 136% in size reduction, which is great for this free video compression software. Now let's play both videos. On the right, I am playing the original 4K video. And on the left, you will see the compressed 480p video produced by Format Factory application. I never expect such great results with this video compression software. But, yes, the result is in front of our eyes. The software did a great job to convert a 4K video into 480p. Now it's your turn to test the Format Factory. Don't forget to mention your experience in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.